I'm right outside the Arun Jaitley Stadium in the national capital. Fans here lining up early in the morning. It's not for a cricket match. Not often, not ever have you would have seen there be so many people line up outside the Arun Jaitley Stadium for a match that doesn't involve cricket. This is to give Leo Messi a fitting reception. Hundreds of fans lining up in the morning to get a glimpse of Leo Messi, who will be here very shortly. People across age groups coming together to give Messi a welcome. Hundreds of them, and it's only going to swell as far as the number of people are concerned. We're at gate number 15 right now. There are plenty of other gates as well, and I can tell you from having been here for the last 30 odd minutes, it's exactly the kind of crowd that has been swelling, that's been building over here for about 40 odd minutes. It's only going to get bigger and better as far as the crowd turnout is concerned. People with their families, friends. I see some Barcelona groups as well. Big Barcelona shirts over there. You see, of course, has to be Messi's name over there. I see a blend of, in fact, the Argentine and the Barcelona jersey over here as well. How big a moment is this for you? Please tell us.
It's been a dream come true for me. I have been dreaming about this for so long. I'm a big Messi fan, and it's such a joy for me to come over here finally and to get a glimpse of Messi.
All right. We hope you have a good time. Let me also speak with the family over here. Please tell us, you hold a Leo Messi poster over here. Could you tell me what this means?
This means I love you, Messi.
Oh, lovely then. So when the tickets went live, when you got to know that Leo Messi will be setting foot in the national capital, what did you tell your father? You desperately need the tickets. Was there an option of not getting the tickets for you?
Actually, my brother wanted the tickets, so
Okay, where is he? All right, there he is.
so I'm happy for him that he's a huge fan of Messi.
You're a Messi fan, Barcelona fan, Argentina fan.
Barca fan first.
Barca
Barca
fan
always. Then Messi, of course.
Okay.
Visca Barca, Visca Catalunya.
Do you have Messi's name at the back as well?
No, I don't have Messi at the
All
back.
right then. We hope you guys have a very good time inside. So that's what the vibe outside the Arun Jaitley Stadium is. Plenty of fans already here early in the morning. There's still about an hour before these guys can go inside. We here at India Today will be bringing you all the action, both from inside and outside. So stay tuned as we bring you all the action. Leo Messi will be here. Can I also confirm before I go, Shubman Gill is also going to be inside. So this is going to be a bumper crowd inside. It's going to be a never seen before event, and we will be getting you all the live updates. Harshit Ahuja for India Today.